Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal. This prevents shorts while you wire. Once done, remove the dash trim and pull the old head unit, making sure you keep screws and dash clips organized. Use a vehicle-specific harness adapter so you don't cut factory wiring. This preserves airbag and CAN bus connections. Make initial harness-to-head unit connections on your bench, matching colors and functions. Finally, test fit the head unit in the dash to confirm clearance before continuing. Now you run the power cable from the battery, installing a fuse within 18 inches of the battery terminal to protect the line. Ground to a clean chassis point to avoid noise. Next, connect the head unit remote turn-on to the amplifier so the amp powers with the radio. Route RCA preamp cables away from power lines to minimize hum. Once you connect RCAs and speaker-level inputs, secure and zip tie bundles to avoid vibration. Test the amp's gain at low volume before moving on. You finish by reinstalling the head unit and reconnecting the battery, then power on and perform audio checks at low volume to confirm channels. Once you hear audio, adjust equalizer, crossover, and time alignment for balanced sound. Set amplifier gains with a test tone and meter to avoid clipping. If you encounter hiss, hum, or no sound, first recheck grounds and speaker polarity, then verify RCA routing and remote turn-on voltage. Finally, secure panels and do a road test to confirm stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.